Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to mute notification for specific chat on WhatsApp. So you can open any chat and we are going to mute notification. On top right you see three dots. So click on it and then you see mute notification. So click on it. Now you see pop-up mute notification. Other members will not see that you muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned. Now you see time 8 hours 1 week always. So you can select option according to requirement. We select always. So this is for specific chat on WhatsApp and then click on OK. Now setting updated. If you want to unmute, again click on three dots. So click on it and then you see unmute notification. Now select. Now this chat notification unmute. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.